Hello, my name is Frank Silverman, the Executive Director of the Martial Arts Industry Association, and you are watching another Business is Business video. Today I want to talk about a topic that comes up almost all the time at seminars I do. It's whether you should be incorporated or not, what an Inc. is, LLC, Subchapter S, and all that business talk. So in just a few minutes or less, I'm going to talk to you about my opinion. First, I'm not a CPA, I'm definitely not an attorney, but I'm going to give you some information that I believe to be the facts, and I really would challenge you to follow this information. Number one, everybody that owns a martial arts school should be operating under the guise of a corporation. You can operate as an Inc., incorporated as a corporation, or as an LLC, limited liability company, limited liability corporation, whichever you want, but you need to operate under some form of corporation. If your attorney tells you different, fire him. If your accountant tells you different, fire him. There's no reason not to operate as a corporation. In Florida, it costs you about $150 a year, and you will save that from the additional write-offs that the government allows you to do when you act as a corporation. That being said, that's not the main reason to become incorporated. The main reason is to have a corporate shield, so you protect yourself from certain liabilities that could happen within your school. All of this is ethical and legal, and that's the reason it is set up to be this way. So sometimes somebody will tell you, oh, the tax benefits are bad. No, that's not correct at all. That's why we skip from now being an Inc. or an LLC, and we go to what's now called a Subchapter S. Unless you have dozens and dozens of schools and are doing millions and millions and millions of dollars in business every year, and perhaps every month, then this is going to be the truth also. Once you've become an corporation, LLC or Inc., you must become a Subchapter S. Now, Subchapter S is a financial term. Often your CPA or your accountant will have you make an S election. You do not want to operate as a C election. You want to operate as a Subchapter S. By doing that, that gives you all the benefits of being a corporation, but being taxed as an individual. So there is no tax negative to becoming a corporation. As I told you, in Florida, it's about $150. Even if it was double that in your state, the protection that you get from being a corporation far outweighs the risk of not being incorporated. And now the taxation is done the exact same. Okay, so if your accountant or your CPA tells you anything different than becoming a S corporation, I suggest finding a new accountant or a new CPA. So just to kind of throw it out there again, nobody should work as an individual. They should work as a corporation. Then you want to pick a Subchapter S election, and if anybody tells you different from either one of them, give me a call. I'd love to have that debate, because it's very, very important that we get these right. One, it's about protecting your assets, and then two, it's about protecting your income. By becoming a corporation, Inc. or LLC, you protect your assets, and by becoming a Subchapter S, you protect your income.